Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to talk about the wrinkles. There's a lot of myths about the wrinkles. So in this video, you be with us. We'll discuss about the wrinkles, how do they develop and what are the treatment options and how can we prevent them. Basically, wrinkles can happen to any person as we age because of the facial muscles. Our facial muscles they start from the bone, they're attached to the skin, deep down the skin. So when we express, they're also called expression muscles. So when we express, like we frown, we make any kind of an expressions on our face, we eventually develop the wrinkles because they move our skin together. It's fine. So there are a lot of reasons. People who are in acting, people who express too much, or people who are in the higher altitudes because of the sun, they always try to prevent their eyes from sun rays and always close their eyes, and they eventually develop the wrinkles. So they are more prone to develop wrinkles. People who express too much, people who are from the higher altitudes, people who get exposed to sun exposure too frequently, they frequently develop wrinkles. However, as we age, we also develop wrinkles. So wrinkles are considered not good in terms of aging. So when you want to get more youthful look, we need to treat the wrinkles. Now first talk about the prevention. The prevention is simply the sun protection. You need to take antioxidants, good food, needless to say about that thing. Now what is important, the myths about the neuromodulators, how do they work and how can they prevent this wrinkling of our face. So first is the neuromodulators and what's their role in prevention or in curing the wrinkles. So neuromodulators are basically, they relax those facial muscles. Okay, for example, the frontalis, we develop forehead lines, or we develop these crow's feet area when we close our eyes. So the neuromodulators like Botox, like Dysport, like Xeomin, they are being injected in very small micro droplets into the skin, and that actually relaxes those muscles. So once the muscles are relaxed, you don't have any more wrinkles. Yes, the treatment is absolutely fine. There's no downtime. It's an office procedure. It takes 10 to 20 minutes if done by expert hands. And the other side is important to understand that you need to repeat this procedure after 4 to 6 months because the duration of the treatment lasts for around 4 months. However, there's a lot of concerns that if we don't repeat it, does it gonna make our skin look bad and are we gonna get our wrinkles back? Absolutely no. I mean, if you don't repeat it even, it's fine. It's not necessarily you repeat it every intervals, okay? You can do it once in a year or whenever you wish to do it because it's an aesthetic procedure. It's not something, a compulsion to repeat it, otherwise it will go bad. So no, repetition is not required. The other thing which people do ask is, how about the pricing? The price, it's very expensive. No guys, it's nowadays very, manageable. Any common person can spend around 15 to 20,000 bucks and get rid of these wrinkles. So it's being done across the world, across universities in India, which is done by expert dermatologists only who expertises in these treatments and all. The third is that, do we have any complications because of the wrinkles? Complications because of the treatment like neuromodulator? No, absolutely not. Yes, there can be a little bit of ptosis which can happen if it's not done properly. So expertise here plays a very important role. This is all about the wrinkles and its treatment and the prevention. If you have further queries, questions regarding this part of your aesthetic concerns, do feel free to connect with us. Thank you very much.